Okay, Mark, I think I've got this. We'll go to calendar first. I've split the screen here so we can follow the directions at the same time, and just click Meet Now. Then you're going to join now. Okay, and it's just me here. That's good. I'm going to close this window and then hit the three dots. And if you want, you can show the background effects, or you can leave it on as it is. Like if I did this, let's say, what if I did this one? See, I don't like it's flattening out my head. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, no background effects. And then close this window. And then once you're sure that your camera and your micro, you can see and hear you, well, you can see yourself anyway. We're going to click the start the recording. Okay, so the meeting is actually started, but in order to start the recording, you'd start right now. I'm going to make this short so that it doesn't take a long time to produce. So that's the meeting, okay? And the three dots. And when you're done, now we're going to click the stop recording button. Stop recording. Okay? Then what you do, the way, I'll show you what happens with chat. It's actually all right. We'll go to, I think, you know what else they don't say here? You've got to hang up. Now go to chat. We actually went there. And it goes, there's my meeting. Okay, and it stopped. Open this up so we can see it. And it says meeting has stopped, saving recording to Microsoft whatever, okay, Streams. And this shouldn't take long. I wonder if I can pause I'm going to pause this video until this is done. Okay, now after a while, after it had processed, which actually takes longer than you think it would, this image here comes up. Okay, that shows the 19-second meeting, and boy, that probably took 3 minutes. So then we're going to hit these three buttons and open it in Microsoft Stream. And the reason why I think you've got to go in here is so that you can download the file. This short so that it doesn't take a long time to produce. So that's the meeting, okay? The three dots. When you're done, now we're going to click the stop recording button. Stop recording. Okay, we're still going here. Then we'll hit these three buttons and download the video. And what it does is it saves it as an MP4 video. Okay, and that's actually probably, even for 19 seconds, it's a pretty big file. Look at that, 19 seconds, and it's 2.7. Okay, so it's a pretty good size. Okay, all right, Mark.